Welcome back to Heartfelt Homes. My special guest today is my little helper who helps me in my videos. This was actually his idea. He wanted to do an unboxing of the Detective Pikachu Pokemon cards since he's collecting Pokemon cards. And I know normally I show you guys makeovers and share tips, but because I'm not able to go into people's houses, we're not able to do that today. But really it all boils down to making memories with family in your homes, and I hope you all are staying safe, staying home, and making memories together. And here's a memory that we like to share with you, so go ahead.
So this is the Pikachu Charizard. I got a bunch of more Pokemon cards than just these, so I'm going to cut this off. Save it.
Be careful. Safety scissors.
Little tiny.
Oh, you want to save this top part?
Yeah, I'll
okay.
save it.
So what's your favorite Pokemon?
I'll say Ho-Oh.
Oh, that's this right here. He's a legendary Pokemon.
Yeah, one of the best.
What's his name? Hono?
Ho-Oh.
Ho-Oh.
My mom says Ho-Oh and MEWTO.
I really like Charizard and Ninetales and Eevee.
Yeah.
Hopefully this will help you guys to determine if you are on the fence about buying this, if you want to or not. Although the cards are random, so you might not get the same cards you get, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like I saw someone get Champ and MEWTO.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We're hoping to get one of those, right?
Yeah, we are.
Which one would you be really happy if we got?
Probably Machamp or MEWTO. Either one of those.
What if we don't get any of them?
Well, I'll deal with the cards I have.
I'll deal with the cards I have.
Yep. I surely will. Why do you keep laughing?
Can I say what you said about the fried rice?
Oh, yes, sir. You're not sir.
We made fried rice, and he said, don't we have just plain white rice? And I said, you love fried rice. He said, a lot of things in my life have changed.
Life. This is Tapo Coco.
These are 4 and these are 10. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Of course, every Pokemon card comes with this. I don't need that. And, so I got another big card, Reshiram and Charizard. I got 2 Charizards now. But this is the Detective Pikachu one. Of course, every Charizard comes with this and this, little cards and big cards. That's what I got. So, okay, so I am opening the Tapo Coco. I'm trying to see so I can open it this way.
This actually has 10 cards inside.
Yeah, 10 cards. I don't know how much.
It says Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon, yeah. Sun and Moon pack. I told my mom that. So, fine.
All right, so we're going to show you guys what we get.
No, people do this on YouTube. Okay. I got this weird thing. Ooh, what's this? Never got this before. New card.
It's a trainer card.
Trainer card. Ooh. Look what I got. I never saw someone get this on YouTube. I am so lucky I got this.
Well, let's show them what you're saying. You're so lucky. It's an energized recycler.
Yeah, it has all the energies. With my Lugia, like you have to have all the energies. Like probably that's a Lugia, yes. You have to have all the energy. So I don't know, it might bite you. His name's Fat Rat. Ooh, I got a Piranha version. I think I told my mom about this. It evolved, and his name is, I wonder what, he evolved into Sharpedo.
Oh.
It's like a shark that's wearing earrings, but he doesn't have a tail, so he just has a body, and his tail things cut off.
I'm a little scared of sharks, although I do find them very cool. Carvana.
It evolves into Sharpedo, and I hope I get a Sharpedo. To put them in order so people know this evolves into this, this evolves into that. Oh, I got a little plane.
Okay, we're not going to show them every single... Ooh, Bellsprout!
I got a little plane. Oh, and Bellsprout, my friend Ben, which I can't play with him, but I got a
Social
Bellsprout.
distancing. Well, Bellsprout has been so
Yeah.
good to us because when we played Let's Go Eevee, Pokemon
Yeah.
Go Let's Go Eevee,
Yeah.
this plant was so powerful.
Yes, we trained him into Victory Bell. I was like, my mom didn't know a lot of things that he didn't have eyes. What is this? A little stuffy?
Goomy.
Goomy.
I'm not familiar with Goomy, but very cute.
He does look yarned.
Yeah, like knit.
Yeah. Let's open the next card. Oh, this is one of my cousins. He's got this Pokemon card. It is this Pokemon card. He's at the very front of the pack. I want to save this guy because he is one of my favorites.
We're not going to show every single card because we'll be here forever, but we'll go over your favorites, I guess, in the pack.
Yeah. Oh, I remember we catched them in Sword and Shield. I remember this little guy up here. You can see him.
So this is in Sword and Shield.
I got this guy. My friend Ben got him, but this is way different. He's kind of like a yellow. I got a girl color.
Girl.
Oh, nice. Oh, I got another Alolan Geodude.
Everyone knows Geodude.
Yeah, Geo. I got another type of Weedle. Cool, I never saw someone got that on YouTube either. Put that right there. I don't know this guy. Here, name him out.
Skiddo.
Skiddo.
Named out Skiddo.
Yes. Good.
All right, but the next one I know is a really, really powerful guy. Silvally.
Silvally?
Show them.
I finally got a complete of a version. Now, I got a lot of completes of a version.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one is 250. That's powerful.
Some of my Pokemon cards got 100 health.
This is 210.
Some of my Pokemon cards got 100 health.
That's a lot.
100.
That's a lot.
Now I open the Pikachu cards.
Charmander is so cute.
Yes.
So we have
Evolved
Charizard.
into this big guy.
Mm-hmm. But we don't have the middle stage.
Yeah, we do. Charmeleon. Yeah.
Oh.
I have him.
Oh, okay.
And last, Venusaur. Venusaur looks so cool with those wine lips. Okay, now time to open another box. Oh, face you on. Face you guys. Lickitung. Lickitung or something. Seriously, another Jiggly.
Well, we can trade this one.
Yeah.
Anybody want to trade?
Magikarp.
Comment below. What should I comment? Your favorite Pokemon.
Or a Pokemon, I don't know. I know him. Mr. Mime pretends to do everything.
Wow, we're getting a lot of new cards. We don't have Mr. Mime.
Nope.
Come on, this is exciting.
It was like this in the movie.
What was he doing?
Okay, so I'm going to do this really fast. Another Magikarp? Seriously? You gotta be kidding me. I'm getting a lot of and it's the same.
So there are some repeats. We've had 2 repeats only. That's not, oh, another Jigglypuff.
Yeah.
Okay. So that gives you guys an idea. We got a Snubbull.
Snubble.
He's got an attitude of some sort.
Yeah, Snubble. I think I have Snubble. Yeah, I have Snubble, but not a real life Snubble. Looks like a real life Snubble.
Oh, careful.
Got that.
All right, last 4 to go.
Yep. So I can put on my Pokemon beam.
Yep, then we'll put in the binder, keep them nice and organized.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, first of all, we got this mushroom thing. Oh, so Pikachu, like, they help Pikachu. Anyone want to trade? I exactly don't know what this thing does.
Morlo?
Yeah, Morlo. But actually, I know they help Pikachu in the movie, and then they brought him to Mewtwo. So no Mewtwo today, guys.
Oh, they put your opponent to sleep.
Oh. Jiggly does that. Jigglypuff.
So they're the opposite of coffee. And the last new card of the night. Ditto.
Ditto is one of my favorites because but we haven't been trainer Ditto in Let's Go Eevee, so it keeps fainted every time we have to fight with him. This is the Detective Pikachu case file. Were our favorite ones.
Yep, and so we want you to comment below which one are your favorites.
Thank you for watching Mr. Toy Fun. Bye.
Bye.